joy.
Good afternoon, all of you. Today I want to tell you why English is so important for India. English is a link language. In science and technology, English plays important role. Now see who has come to meet us.
I am English. I am queen of languages. I have 8 daughters. I want you to meet my daughters. All daughters complete me. Meet my daughters.
I am first daughter of English. I am noun. I am a name of person, place or things. My examples are Arya. Arya is my best friend. Bag. Bag I have new bag. India. India is my country. Thank you. I am the second daughter of English. I am pronoun. I replace my elder sister noun. And my examples are He is a good boy. She is a beautiful girl. It is the most beautiful poem. We are all the students of Standard 7C. Thank you. I am the third daughter of English. I am verb. I am very active. I am the parts of speech that names action. My examples are
Walk. Jimmy walked to school. Crying. The baby is crying. Thank you.
I am the fourth daughter of English. I am an adjective. I always come before my sister noun, beautify her and quality her. My examples are smart. Our principal ma'am is a very smart. Beautiful. Kashmir is a very beautiful city. Tall. Our PT teacher is very tall. Thank you. I am the fifth daughter of English. I am an adverb. I modify verb, adjective and other adverb. You can easily recognize me as because I end with ly. My examples are
Quickly. Run quickly.
easily,
You can do easily.
slowly.
My dog eats slowly. You thank you.
I am the sixth daughter of English. I am preposition. I always stand before my sister noun. I tell the position of noun. My examples are
On. We went to school on Monday. In. We are in the classroom. Thank you. I am the seventh daughter of English. I am conjunction. I always going to word or to places or to closes. My examples are when. I feel happy when I go to school. But Amir is a good boy, but Akhil is a very naughty. If are you intelligent, everyone like you. Thank you. I am the eighth daughter of English. I am interjection. I am very emotional. I express emotions. My examples are oops, I have lost the match. Alas, I have lost my money. Hi, how are you? Thank you.
Wow, I am beautiful and most spoken language in the world. Hope you enjoy meeting my daughters, friends. I will come again with my other family member.